Travelers, we just rode Test Track 3.0. So come along and let's see what Test Track had to offer us on this cast preview day today. And I'm not sure. You ready, Michelle? We're getting close. No, I'm not. I did it. Oh, come on, guys. Let's go ride Test Track. Made our way to Epcot. I'm going to do our Test Track preview. There's Becca right there. We got Mom and Michael right over here. Test Track preview. Becca has brought her camera out. No telling what we're going to get into today. We were a little worried because, we got to get our tickets. I'll be back. We were a little worried because it's been raining and storming and lightning and thunder, but everything is cleared up and it looks like it's a go for Test Track. Got my comp ticket there for that Disney provided for the cast members. I got Chewbacca. So let's head into Epcot. We are in. We are ready to go. Test Track 3.0, here we come. I'm so excited for this. Absolutely love the entrance of Epcot. The music. Oh, maybe a popcorn bucket today? Who knows? Beck, have you gotten a popcorn bucket yet? Have you gotten one of the new popcorn buckets yet?
No.
We might have to get one today. There's Michelle's ticket. She's Moana. In case you guys didn't know, that's her favorite character. Moana.
I just listed out all the reasons why you missed it.
Well, you were talking to Michael.
She's adventurous. She doesn't really follow the rules.
Yeah, that's all you.
She's got a really strong sidekick person.
Hey.
No, hey, it's crazy. I was talking about
Pua.
the demigod.
Maui. Okay, gotcha. Becca's now, it may take us like an hour and a half to get back here because she's taking pictures of everything.
What's the crab? What's his name?
I don't know the crab's name.
Guy.
Hey, if you know the crab's name, leave it in the comments down below.
What's his name, Becca, the crab guy with the bling in Moana? I didn't see that movie.
Oh, yeah, Michelle. It's not Becca's favorite movie, so she doesn't watch it much. No, she doesn't like it.
Why not?
I don't know. She just can't get through it. Okay, here we go.
I watched the Star one for you. You should watch that one for me.
That's right. Okay. Heading that way.
Yeah.
So fun fact, I actually have a reservation for July 13th up there at GO82. Can't get in.
Really?
I can't get a park reservation. I got a reservation for 4. Don't know what I'm going to do yet, but hopefully we get to go up there soon. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely love this area. Hey, maybe we'll do a live over from that table right there, my favorite table. That'd be fun. Glad you guys enjoyed the live and coming along with us on that little adventure. Hopefully I'll get it right next time. Notice the food booster coming out. Getting ready for Food and Wine 2025. This whole area now has just come alive with the emergence of Test Track coming back soon. Remember, July 22nd, Test Track is back. But hearing those cars on that track, so excited to ride this today. So excited. We can hear the cars in the background, and we are heading this way for this special event check-in. We're all pretty excited for this. It is July 2nd, by the way, just to let everybody know in the video. It's when we got to ride. It's been open since the 28th or 27th, but that's the earliest I could get. So, you can hear them back there. It's been so long, Checking in. As you can see, the hedges are still up, so nobody can get close to Test Track. But we got to go right here. Here we go. Chewbacca. Okay, we're going to ask up ahead what is exactly allowed, but I think all photos and videos are allowed. But you know me, we're not going to ruin the surprise for everybody else. So we'll show you some of the highlights and some of the fun. You can hear them in the background. I mean, come on. Test Track is back, baby. Hopefully better than ever, but the very first one, I absolutely love Test Track. So now let's go ride 3.0. As usual, that will be the main entrance into Test Track, and then you will come right down this way and you'll see that beautiful Test Track. Don't forget, that's still the GM Lounge up there, the dark windows there, but that is the new Test Track sign, and you can hear them running around in the background. I do know they have announced annual pass holder previews. I'm not really sure because I'm not an annual pass holder. I should know that information, but I know they're coming up in July. but July 22nd, it'll be open. And from what I'm understanding, there are no, there's not going to be that virtual queue. It's going to be come and wait in line. So, or you can buy that single, that lightning lane right over there, or they will have a single rider entrance from what it looks like right there. But that'll be the standby entrance right there with the minutes and how long your ride will take to get there. There's the warnings for you guys, just in case. Children right there, they gotta be 40 inches. Make sure your little ones are 40 inches so they can ride Test Track. Here we go. Videos and pictures are allowed. So I'm gonna share some of the stuff with you guys. Woo, listen to that, baby. Beautiful. New cars, new entry area. I'm just going to show a little bit. Like I said, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Almost kind of looks like it used to, but in an improved manner. The Astro 3. I love concept cars, and you just hope one day that they come to fruition. That's a fantastic looking car. Leave in the comments down below what your favorite car is, and I will comment back what my dream car to have, and it might surprise you guys. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh, one went whizzing by. I do love the interior. So far, so good. Look at that. You can actually see the cars right there through the window. You probably can't see them because of the glare, but they're right there. I love that feature. I love that feature. This is the other room of the queue right here. So this is the second room. So I think this is where you used to build the cars, and then you went into the utilidor looking things to get onto the ride. Am I wrong about that? I think I'm right. Yeah, this is where you made the cars. This is another big room. Not too bad though. The line is all the way to the back door when we walked in, but it's been about 10 minutes. Not too bad. It's all about being green. Recycle, recycle. I am loving that new logo. It looks really nice. Kind of fits a throwback to Tron, maybe? When it was the Tron 2.0. If I ever had a little grandbaby, that's the little go-kart they have right there. That is awesome. But it's just the future cars of tomorrow. But, I mean, all the concepts are right here. Or is this the cars that you got to make before? You guys let me know. Am I not remembering this? You know, me and my memory. Remember to follow the instructions, go to your assigned spot, make sure you're clicking quickly to make the ride go nice and smoothly. I'm sure I'll mess this up somehow. Getting ready to board. Like I said, I'm gonna try to film some of it, but probably won't be able to film all of it. I can barely keep it level and not wiggling now, so we'll see what we can get, and we'll see you at the end. There's the entry right there to get into your cars. They will tell you which row to go to. It's usually 3 per row. 3 per row. This must be for the passes, for the lightning lanes, and the single rider. Or maybe over there, I'm not really sure. But, okay, there's only gonna be 4 of us. So, me and Michael are up front, Becca and Mom's in the back. Take a picture of the new cars as best I can. We have our car. We're just waiting for the go-ahead. All locked in. Here we go. Okay, everybody's in. Michelle's back there, Becca. Michael over there. Wait, Michelle. You gotta still do the pulley tab. Okay, I just want to enjoy this. I'll do as best I can, guys. I know, I was like, wait a second.
We've always been dreaming
They're
about
all
the
scared.
road to
They don't
tomorrow.
remember this.
And now we set a course for the future.
Oh my God!
That's where I can help. Let me show
Fantastic.
you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors. Nicely done.
Smart road activated.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Oh, this is so good.
It's just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Here we go. Yes. Oh my God. Yes, we got 65.1. Oh my God. Holy moly. Fantastic. Oh man, everybody's loving it. Oh man. Oh, there we go.
That was only 60.
Our test drive might be complete,
65.1.
but just ahead is the vehicle showcase.
65.
You can explore the latest innovations from General Motors.
How'd you like it, Michelle? Okay, here was that.
Hey, if you want to take the wheel, be my guest.
There's no wheel on this car.
Exactly.
Ooh-wee.
You humans.
We will talk about this when we get off the ride.
Don't make me
We'll
turn
see
this
you
car
guys at
around.
the exit.
Right.
Exiting. Becca's up there. This is where the show cars and stuff should be. Oh, the photo pass is right here. Look here. We'll see if we got a photo pass. There we go. That's us in there. So this is the showroom where there's going to be a representative for GM to sell you a new Corvette or any GM car. Fantastic car. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Okay, and they've changed this up a little bit. It's not just open. Each car has its own showcase. This over here is a big area. I'm sure there'll be more stuff brought into here. Yeah, more cars I'm sure will be brought into here. For our cast previews, the cars are not open, which makes sense. They're brand new. They got to get everything in here. We've actually thought about a Traverse. If anybody has a Traverse, you'd let me know. I think it might be a little too big, but I think we could haul everybody in this Traverse. Michelle likes this Buick. That's a Buick. I'm not sure about that, but it is a good looking car. And it seats 6. Yeah, I'm sure the after show area is not yet complete, but it will be. And just to let you guys know, no, there's no merchandise open yet. For the cast previews are for, not sure when they're going to be open, but no merchandise as of yet. We just got off of Test Track.
Is that the raindrop?
I thought it was hitting you, yeah.
Oh, it was drool?
Yeah, that was.
I thought it was rain. I thought it was rain. Okay. You can hear him going up there. Michelle, what'd you think about Test Track 3.0?
I thought it was cool.
You thought it was cool? Did you like it the best version, or do you still like the original version?
Oh, I love the original. 'Cause
Yeah.
I'm an OG, but this was pretty.
This was nice, especially that big screen at
it
the
felt
end.
like you flew.
Yeah,
felt
it really did.
better, faster than what it said.
Yep, it really did. We had a great time with the kids.
It seems like they tried to amp that part of it.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Because you went faster on this one more times than I remember doing.
I think you're right.
But it's kind of cool. It's worth going on.
I think you're absolutely right.
It's not too adventurous. I think everybody's okay.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, she even did it. Normally, she didn't do it.
It always gets me the very last of the turn, almost when it's almost done,
Oh,
then I'm
but-
like, oh, and then it's over.
That is the best part. I just love that ride. Can't wait to come back. Remember, July 22nd it opens. Had a great time with the kids. We're going to go get something to eat. And until next time, travelers, like we always say, travel and adventure is out there.